Hello everyone, we are learning the lesson factorization, and let us see how to solve problems on the expression in the form of a square minus b square. Okay, here is a question. Resolve into factors 49a square minus 81b square. Let's see how to solve it. What's the given expression? The given expression is 49a square minus 81b square. Now 49 and 81 are perfect squares, right? So we will simplify it here by writing 7a whole square minus 9b whole square, right? I hope you understand this. Now here you see that this is in the form of, the expression that you see on your screen is in the form of a square minus b square, right? And what is the expansion of a square minus b square? The expansion is a plus b in brackets into a minus b in brackets, right? So we just have to replace the values and then we will get the answer. All right, remember that 7a represents a and 9b represents b. Okay, like I said, 7a represents a and 9b represents b. I'm writing here just for explanation, okay? You don't have to write this when you're doing it in test, when you're writing it in test or exam. You don't have to write that reference a minus b. Alright, so after we have expanded a square minus b square, we get the answer as 7a plus 9b in brackets into 7a minus 9b in brackets. So this is the answer. It's quite simple, right? You just have to go through this again. Now let's see another explanation here, another problem. Factorize x square plus y square minus z square whole square minus 4x square y square. Let's see how to solve this problem. The first step is, let us write down what is the given expression. Okay, so let us simplify. Let me explain to you how can we simplify 4x square y square. Now 2 2's are, or 2 square is 4, right? So 2xy whole square will give us 4x square y square. So let us write it down. X square plus y square minus y square whole square minus 2xy whole square. Right, now you see here that this is in the form of a square minus b square, right? So x square plus y square minus z square whole square represents a square, and 2xy whole square represents b square, right? And this is in the form of a square minus b square, and I'm sure that you remember the expansion of it. The expansion is a plus b in brackets into a minus b in brackets. So what we will do now is we will just replace this expansion. Okay, remember that there are two terms here, a and b. Okay, you have to be very careful as you're replacing it. Let us write down the value of a. X square plus y square minus z square plus the value of b. The value of b is 2xy. Right, this is the first term, and the second term is a minus b. So now we will write the values of a minus b. The value of a is x square plus y square minus z square minus the value of b, and the value of b is 2xy. Right? It's that simple. It's not very complicated. You just have to remember the steps. Now there is another important step that we'll be solving. What we will do here is both of these terms we will arrange it. Okay, now we'll arrange it in which form? Right, now you remember that x square plus y square plus 2xy. Right, now if you can think, x square plus y square plus 2xy is in the form of which expansion? Right, it is, we also have learned it as a square plus b square plus 2ab. All right, or we can write it as x square plus y square plus 2xy. Right, and what are we going to do next? You remember that this x square plus y square plus 2xy is the expansion of a plus b whole square, right? So we'll just write the terms here, x square plus y square plus 2xy. All right, we'll be solving this, so we separate it, and z square is written outside the bracket, minus z square. Right, I hope you are understanding this. Now let's solve the second term, second part. Okay, over there also we have the expansion of a minus b whole square. Now you'll come to know when we arrange this, x square, y square and minus 2xy. Now this is in the form of x square plus y square minus 2xy. Right, or we also have learned it as a square plus b square minus 2ab. Right, we also have learned it in this form. Now what are we going to do now? We will just replace the values, or we'll just arrange it. Right, x square plus y square minus 2xy is set inside the brackets, it is separated, and what will be separated out, what will be left out? Minus z square. Right, minus z square is left out, so we will write minus z square outside the bracket. I hope you have understood till here. Now our next step, we have learned that x square plus y square plus 2xy is the expansion of a square plus b square plus 2ab is the expansion of a plus b whole square. Right, we have learned that. So what we will do is we'll replace this expansion with a plus b whole square, which would be x plus y whole square in this case, minus z square. The same we'll be doing with the second term, that is x square plus y square minus 2y is the expansion of, right, or a square plus b square minus 2ab is the expansion of a minus b whole square. a minus b whole square, right? So we will replace x square plus y square minus 2xy with x minus y whole square, right? We're just replacing the expanded part, okay, minus z square. And what will be our next step? Now you notice here that the first set is in the form of a square minus b square, right? X plus y whole square is a square minus y square represents b square. So what is the expansion of a square minus b square? You know it, right? A plus b in brackets into a minus b in brackets. X plus y represents a and z represents b. So we will replace the values here, right? X plus y is a plus the value of b, that is z, right? So we have solved the first part, that is a plus b. Now let us solve the second part, which is a minus b or x minus y, right? Now let us solve the second part. Now the second part also is in the form of a square minus b square. The expansion is a plus b into a minus b in brackets, right? So the value of a is x minus y plus the value of b is z in brackets. The expansion is a minus b, right? A plus b into a minus b. So the second set is a minus b, which would be the value of a is x minus y, value of b is z, so minus z. Okay, so we have just arranged this and we have just simplified it to solve this problem. I hope you have understood this. You can go back through the video and see it again to understand. Keep practicing and keep learning.